In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add an image block to your Squarespace website. Whether you're fresh to web designing or just looking to refine your skills, these instructions will seamlessly guide you through enhancing your site with visuals. Let's start by heading over to the Squarespace homepage. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all the editing features available. Once logged in, navigate to your website dashboard. This is where the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Now locate and click on the Edit button. This button is your gateway to all website modifications and is typically prominent on your dashboard. Clicking on Edit switches your view into editing mode, enabling you to interact with your site's structure directly. With your site ready for customization, it's time to add blocks. Look for the Add Block button and give it a click. In Squarespace, blocks are the building elements of your website, allowing you to insert text, images, forms, and more. Adding a block is a flexible way to tailor your website to meet your design preferences and functional needs. Next, select Image from the selection of blocks. This is the block you'll use to display an image on your page. Adding images is a fantastic way to break up text, illustrate points, and make your website more visually engaging. After all, images can help convey messages effectively, captivating your audience's attention. Once you've chosen the image block, it's time to pick an image to upload. You can either select from your device or choose from the available options in the platform. When selecting an image, ensure that it aligns with your brand's identity and complements the surrounding content. High-quality, relevant images can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal of your site. Having uploaded your image, don't forget to click Save. This is an essential step that locks in the changes you've just made. Not only does saving prevent you from losing any of your hard work, but it also ensures that your new image is live on your site for visitors to enjoy. Remember, periodically saving during your editing process is a good habit to cultivate, regardless of the platform. By following these steps, you've now successfully added an image block to your Squarespace website. Each click not only advances the customization of your site, but also empowers you with the skills to continue building and evolving your digital presence. As you become more accustomed to this process, don't hesitate to explore further options within Squarespace. There's an array of features waiting to be discovered that can elevate your website to the next level. Happy editing, and may your website development journey be both creative and rewarding.